Hi guys, welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. We at Oliveboard have come up with a series called Word of the Day. So every day I give you a new word, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be helpful for you since it will help you strengthen your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, today is day 23. You can find the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. Now, guys, let us look at today's word. Today's word is repudiate. The meaning of the word repudiate is refuse to accept something or someone as true, good, or reasonable. Now, let us try to understand this word repudiate in the context of a sentence. So, the sentence that is given to us says, the evidence presented at the trial has since been repudiated. That means the evidence that was presented at the trial has been rejected because it cannot be accepted as true or reasonable. Now, let us look at the synonyms of the given word. The synonyms can be to reject, renounce, or to abjure. The antonyms or the opposites, on the other hand, can be to embrace, accept, or acknowledge. Now, guys, we'll use the language Hindi in order to understand this word repudiate better. सो जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was, the evidence presented at the trial has since been repudiated. So, मुकदमे के दौरान जो evidences या जो सबूत पेश किए गए थे उन्हें रिजेक्ट कर दिया गया है, उन्हें repudiate कर दिया गया है या उन्हें स्वीकार करने से मना कर दिया गया है. So, repudiate का मतलब यहाँ पर है अस्वीकार करना. Guys, we have tried to understand this word repudiate in both the languages English as well as Hindi. I hope you liked the session. Please like the session, share it with your friends, and for more such content, stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you.